Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning from wherever you're listening from. So we're about to start today's webinar class. We're about to start today's webinar class. Okay, and let's not forget that the title of this webinar is AI tools that can help you as a freelancer. So if you're in this live, please do well to drop your comments. Let's know that you're here. Okay, just drop your comments, tell us where you're listening from. Let's know where you're listening from. Okay, while we wait for our facilitator. Okay, so please do well to drop it in the comment section, your name and where you're listening from, and if you were able to attend yesterday's webinar class, because yesterday's webinar class was amazing, was really really amazing. I learned a lot of things from yesterday's class. So if you were not in yesterday's class, you missed out on yesterday's class. All right, you missed out on yesterday's class. So I want to believe that today a lot of you guys will be here live, while we are also going to dive into new AI tools that can help us to stay productive in whatever thing that we do as virtual assistants. All right, so please let's do also. Oh, hi, Simi. It's good to have you here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. So please do well to drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know that you are here. All right, thank you so much. So I would want you guys to, if you were if you're if you're available yesterday during the live session where our facilitator talked about one of the tools that can help business owners, okay, to streamline operations, okay, so you don't run out of, like, you don't lose track of where your money is going. Okay, so drop it in the comment section what you were able to learn yesterday from yesterday's webinars class. Okay, so drop it in the comment section what you were able to learn yesterday. If you were not there, you can go back to the video. Okay, we have the recorded video on YouTube. You can go back to it and watch where you missed, because if you missed out on yesterday's class, please go back to that video and watch it. Okay, go back to that video and watch it so that you will not miss out, so that you will not miss out on that particular tool. Okay, because it is good for everyone to know, even whether you're a business owner, you're a freelancer, you're a virtual assistant, it is good for you to know that. Hi, Kate. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much for joining. So please let's do well to keep the comments coming. Let me know that you are on this call. Okay, let me know that you're on this call. So I'm going to reintroduce myself again. All right, I'm going to reintroduce myself again for many persons who do not know me and who do not know why we are doing this in the first place. So my name is host for Fortuna, and I am the founder of Virtual Allies Hub. What does Virtual Allies Hub do? We empower freelancers. We also help individuals to upskill, to learn new skills. Okay, we help them to upskill so that they can become professional virtual assistants in the industry. And we create all this workshop, all these webinars, free workshop. We invite people who are already experts in their field to come and share their knowledge with us. So that's one of the reasons why we are doing this, so that people would learn new skills. They will learn new skills, learn new tools, and also gain more knowledge on what they know, okay, or what they don't know rather. So please, that is the reason why we are having this free workshop. It is free, it is not paid, right? A lot of people are paying to have this knowledge that we are giving you for free. So let's not take it for granted. Let's not take it for granted. So please do well. Please do well to share this live to anyone who um might be interested to partake, or who might be interested to learn from this webinar class. All right, so while we're waiting for our facilitator, let's keep sharing the live, so at least if we have up to 20 persons, we can fully start immediately. Okay, so please do well to share the live, and if you're just joining, thank you so much for joining. Just drop it in the comment section, okay, that you're here. Let me know that you're here. Drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Okay. Hello, blessing. Good evening. It's so good to have this network. Please, this network should not affect me today. It's been raining here non-stop. I don't know, is it raining on your end? Let me know if it's raining on your end currently, or the rain has actually stopped. If you're actually in Nigeria, right, or which part of Nigeria are you in? Let me know, because it has been raining here non-stop, and I know a lot of people would also complain that their network are having issues and all the rest, and it could be a challenge for us freelancers who are working remotely, and we depend more on data, right? We depend more on data to be able to. Okay, blessing says no rain in Kaduna. Amazing. I wish I was in that particular place, right? But I'm here where the rain is falling, and somehow it's actually nice. Somehow it's actually nice to know that the rain is actually falling, right? Because just like they say that there are good days and there are also bad days, so there are days that the rain is good, and there are also days that the rain might not be good, so it might affect business owners and all the rest. So for us freelancers, we use network, so without the network it's kind of challenging to be able to do what we are supposed to do online, because that's what we do, right? That's what we do. Thank you so much, Felicia. She says no rain here in Lagos, but the weather is cloudy and expecting the rain. You guys are enjoying, oh, seriously, you guys are enjoying. Okay, so our facilitator is here. All right, our facilitator is here. Yinka, please, if you can hear me, just do well to say hi. Let everyone hear your voice.
All right. Good evening, Coach.
Thank you so much. Good evening. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
All right. Please, you guys should give me a second. Hello, Ebere. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining, Ebere. It's good to have you here. Okay. Okay, so like I was saying before, I said if you attended yesterday's workshop, okay, do well to drop it in the comment section, one or two things that you learned, because yesterday was really amazing. Okay, yesterday was really amazing, right? So if you were available or you joined yesterday's workshop, please do well to drop it in the comment section and say yes, I was there. Okay, and the tool that you learned, because I learned something new yesterday. So if you were not there yesterday, go to my YouTube. You will see the live. Check in the live section. You're going to see the previous workshop we had, and you're going to see there everything that we learned yesterday, right? So please do well to check it out. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Okay. So without wasting much of our time, let me introduce our facilitator so he would be able to come up and share with us what he has for today. Okay. All right. So Yinka Owokoya. Okay, Yinka Owokoya is an Yinka Owokoya is a digital marketer. All right, he's a digital marketer and a social media strategist committed to propelling businesses forward in the digital realm. And his passion lies in harnessing the power of digital platforms to generate leads, foster organic traffic, and drive substantial growth for businesses online. So he's part of my community, and we call him the AI expert, because he's very good at a lot of AI tools, and he's going to be sharing those tools with us, right? Because I believe that there are some AI tools that some of you do not know about, that could actually help you one way or the other. So he's going to be sharing these AI tools with us today. So if you know him in the community, you know that he's someone that is always giving out informations for free. And this one, he's not holding those informations. You would literally see there in the discussion group that this is what he does, and he's really good at it. Okay, he's really good at it. So he's a digital marketing expert. So let's do well to welcome him in the comment section. Please, let's do well to welcome him in the comment section. Thank you so much.
Like,
Okay, thank you so much, Kate. Thank you so much, Felicia. Thank you so much, Blessing. Thank you so much. Please, let's do well to welcome him. All right. So um as he takes on to the next level, which is diving into today's class. So I'm leaving the floor for you, Yinka, so you can take over from me.
all right, thank you, Miss Fortuna. Good evening, everyone. Like I said, you all know me. This is actually my first time trying to like be on a live stream. Just trying to like teach everyone about AI because I've been into AI for a long time. I actually love using it. It actually helps me and make my work so easy and simple. So before I could start, like I just wanted to like just share some light about like AI. Like I don't know if you guys like really understand what generative AI means. Can anyone still hear me? Hello? Since my mic is off or something.
We can hear you. Okay, you can see it in the comment section. A lot of people are commenting.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know.
Can you hear me?
Okay, yeah, I can hear you.
We
So as
can
I was
hear
saying, like,
you.
okay, as I was saying, like, actually wanted to know if actually everyone know what generative AI means, like, because like the AI has already evolved now. Probably I have to share my screen. Let's see if I can share my screen. So this is actually some of like my slides I actually created today. Can anyone see my screen? Okay. Yeah. So if I want to, can anyone see my screen? I want to just confirm. Hello. Okay, all right. I'll just start from here. So this is actually what generative AI means. Like you have to start with the basic of what generative AI means, like the fundamentals first. So this is it. My network is actually all right. So
Okay, so I think he's having network glitch here, so we'll have to wait for him a little bit so he can come on board. You see why I was saying that the rain, it could be that the rain could be a challenge to where some people are based on their network and all the rest. Sometimes it might not even be the rain. It just probably your network playing pranks on you for that particular day. So please, let's be patient to wait for him so can add him.
hello. So can anyone hear me? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello.
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Hello.
Can you hear us? We can hear you.
Okay, you can hear me now. Sorry, I was trying
Yes.
to. I guess my network was actually malfunctioning. Sorry. Okay. It seems it's okay now. Okay, as I was saying, we have to start from the basic first, like what's generative AI means. Like everyone knows like what generative AI means, like using like the Chat GPT and the Gemini, but it has actually like evolved into another stages. Like we have what we call chatbots and AI agents now. So you have to start from the fundamentals first, like what AI token means. Okay, come in. Let me actually see if I can share my screen again. Okay. Give me a minute. Oh, okay. Just- All right. Okay. Let me start from the beginning. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So this is how AI starts from. You have to like first understand what generative AI means. Like that's like using text to generate like outputs, then like how to like understand the difference between AI and AI agents. So AI agents are actually like they're actually like LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Like they can actually perform tasks that that looks like a virtual assistant. What a virtual assistant normally do, like an assistant. So that this is how they work. They use tools to like perform a task. Okay, I should just let me just show you how it works first. Because that would be more easier. This is the first tool first. I have to first start off with. It's called Manos
Can you
AI.
hear me, Inka?
You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I don't know if it's just me, but I can't see your screen. Oh,
You can't see my screen.
yes.
Okay.
Can you
How
stop
about now?
sharing and then share it again?
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can.
So the first tool actually is called Manos. Like Manos is like an AI virtual assistant, like an AI agent that it works with like it works with a giving it a context and a role before it performs an action. This is the first AI on my list first. Like you have to do is give it a role to do. Let's just give it a basic task for it to do. So like so, okay. So you guys should not be actually. I'm actually kind of nervous, but I'm not used to teaching, so I work with a lot of tools for like this yellow stuff you could see on my chatbot is called perfect prompt. It's what helps you improve your prompt. Once you give it a basic prompt, it helps you improve your prompt. So you can it's like a Chrome extension. You will install it on your computer, then it works. So let's give Manos a go. So these are Manos work. It's actually thinking and searching the web for the latest trends in AI. You can actually check how it's doing the information. While Manus is working, I have to introduce you to another tool to which I use again. It's called it's called Harper. So it seems the live stream is actually slowing the the agents down because of I'm streaming live, so that's why it's slowing stuff down. Okay, this is actually another tool actually use again. It's called Merlin AI. It's a Chrome extension, so you have to install it on your web browser. Yeah, it seems like streaming live is actually slowing the tool down because of I'm streaming live, so it won't be able to work. I'll actually just like list some of the tools I use. I've said Manos is the first one I used. The second is Claude. Then the third is um Midjourney, and the fourth is like for image generation. I use Midjourney and Devi. Okay, can you give me a second?
Did you stop sharing your screen? Can you hear me? Wow, this network is really something else. Yinka, can you hear me, please?
So can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. My network was bad, so I had to refresh.
Okay.
Did you stop sharing your screen?
Yeah, it's actually the network. Like it's actually slowing um my chatbot down.
Okay.
But because of I'm streaming live, because it doesn't do this. Okay. So go see. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yeah. So this is what an AI assistant does. Like it searches the web and you can see it in action. It divide the screen. It can actually browse any website. Just give it the website link. It goes to the website and script the content on the website. So if you're generating leads, you can actually use this. It can go through your social media pages like LinkedIn, TikTok, and generate like emails for you, contacts. These are what if an AI agent does. It's actually different from what a normal LLM is. That's ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. They can't actually do all this. Like They can only just tell you what to do, but the agent knows what to do. It's taking an action. That's what an AI, ChatGPT, and the rest can do. And another thing about it, it can actually help you when it comes to your emails. Like it help you schedule your emails, book meetings for you, and help you with any lot of things. So the next tool I'll actually present, we'll actually come back to this when it's done. It's called Skywalk. It's called Skywalk.ai. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
So this is actually another deep agent. It helps you out with a PowerPoint presentations, helps you out with research. It helps you out with anything. I know the user interface is actually very confusing. It's not actually the most user friendly, but if you start it, you get the hang of it. So you could say create stunning slides, presents with its impact. These are it works. So once you come here, these are actual use cases, what people have done. You just view it out if you want. Let's give an example. I actually use like let's say I've used almost 100 of AI tools. Yeah, because of the I won't be able to like display all of them. Because of it's actually much. So this is what a song builds like, just like a case study. See, it still works like how Manos does, but it's just different. This uses an MCP. MCP is like it's a tool that allows the AI to have access to your social media page, like on LinkedIn, on Twitter. It can actually help you go to your Instagram and like help you like, just like help you like make a transcript of a reel. Maybe like you like a reel you saw on Instagram. It can help you review the video of it, get the script and everything. So this is what an MCP tool does. So all these things like you can actually build it on your own locally on your browser. So the next tool is actually Runway. Runway helps you with your emails. Let me check it out. Okay. Sorry, I said Runway. Runner H, yeah. So this helps me with my emails. If I actually have some emails like currently, I should just give it a test, a run to see how it works, to show how it works. This thing is actually slowing my stuff down. This network stuff is actually a problem. Miss Fortune, I hope I'm not overwhelming you with all these tools I'm showing.
No, boss, you are not. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Please, if you're on this if you're on this live right now, please do well to drop yes, yes in the comment section. Drop yes in the comment section. Let's know that you're still following with us. Okay, because
So,
he has literally shown us like three tools, through three AI tools which I didn't even know about. Right? So we are learning from you. We are learning. So
all
please
right.
go on. Go on, go on, go on.
Okay, this Lona H helps you with like your emails. It's just like it's just like an automation, but just like a beginner automation. You know, it can help you manage your Slack, your Notion. You can connect it together. If you just come here to the connection, you could say you can connect with your Google Docs, your Google Calendar, your Google Mail. You can connect with Zapier. Oh, let me don't use it to say like yeah. You can connect with your Zapier, your Notion, your Google Sheet, your Slack, and your Google Drive. So that's what it does. So then, once you come here to run, you could just tell it that okay, just type like hat. Tell it to just go to your, let's say, your Gmail now. You tell that it should write a mail. I can tell you to write a mail to you. Let's say to your Fortuna. It's actually going to do it and send it to you. Let's see this work. Well, let me just check it. Like, let's give it a roll. I'm thinking of what to do with my Gmail. Okay. Or let me just tell it. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the latest? Can you tell me the latest? I'm thinking of what I could use. Okay, kind of latest job. Okay, job posting. My my Gmail. Okay, that'll work. I say it work. All these tools I mentioned, they're actually free. They'll give you free trials, like credits to use. Like Manos now, it gives you 300 credits to use a day. So you have to be very careful on how you use it. So if you're using it for any clients, so you have to be specific on what you want to use it for. Okay. We'll come to this because of time. So let me just show another tool. Yeah, the network is actually as disconnected from my email. So another tool I use is called Retriever AI. This is called Retriever is a AI web agent. I use this sometimes like if I have like let's say like maybe I want to like schedule post or something or like make research on tools like it's like an agent that you can use locally. Let's give it a run. Okay. I'll tell it to go to my chat GPT and um create a prompt there. Let's give that. It works. Okay. So this is actually going to open my chat GPT and do the prompt. Okay, say it's already working. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yeah, it's already putting out the prompt. I'm not actually touching my laptop.
Like it's giving you the prompt, like it's giving you the prompt, and then you can it will just
Yeah,
in the prompt.
yeah, like it's actually like processing the prompts. Like so it's going to put it in the chat box and yeah, it's actually it takes time because of like a lot of people are using it too. So that's how it works. So another thing on AI too is what it can do it. So it's called automation. So because see, it has done the prompt. It's called an automation. So like people like the one people use is called Zapier, but there's actually one called make.com. You can actually use it to like automate all your tools together at once. That's
What's the
create the
name,
post.
please?
It's called make.com.
Spell it. Is it MEG? Meg.com.
No, yeah, make then .com. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
Meg.
what it
Okay, yeah.
yeah,
Yes,
make,
I know
yeah.
Meg.
It's just like Zapier, so it's another automation
Yes.
tools.
Mm.
So that's another one that works. So another tool I use again is called it's actually lovable.dev. I was opening different tab at once. It's crazy. So you can actually use this to create a portfolio or a website. And what the good thing about it is that the website you can create, you can store it, you can make it go live if you've purchased a domain and a hosting. But if you haven't purchased that, then you can actually just host it in a custom domain. Okay, the website. Okay, so this is actually lovable. Okay, let me open the dashboard for you. This network is actually slow. Like, okay. So this is lovable. You can create a website, a portfolio for free. These are use cases people have built with it. You could see mine now. It's already appearing on the dashboard, but these are what people have built with it. You could preview it.
Can you share the portfolio, like the link
Okay.
for someone else to see it?
Okay. All right. Should I share it now after the call?
No, I'm asking if someone is using this lovable now to
Okay.
create a portfolio, can
Okay.
someone
Yeah, yeah, you
actually
can.
share it with somebody else
Yeah, that's
without
the yeah, that's the thing about it. Like, it's like you can actually share it, but the issue is that for the free plan, if you're on the free plan, you can't share it privately, just publicly. So you can share people to see it, but you can actually share it privately. That's if you want like people to have as to request access before they can view it. Because if it is shared public, that means they can actually log into your platform. You understand? So
Mm,
that's the issue about it. So you can data is just good to just create it just using only just a portfolio, but a website that's actually very dangerous because they can come to your project and see what you are doing. So and they'll give you free credits to test it out, 10 credit to test it out. So you can just like use it to test, play around it. You know, it works with the prompt.
okay.
What they use is like this platform. What they do is that they use other models like ChatGPT and Claude to like to build this because when it comes to coding, Claude is the best because they work with what they call an API. Like an API is what allows another external tool to have access to other models. Like some of these models are very expensive. Like if you're on the free plan on ChatGPT, you're actually using the ChatGPT 4 and it's actually expensive, but for the free plan, you have limits to it. But if you're on the plus plan, you have access to building other models like custom GPT. I actually used to share the custom GPT on the group chat, but I don't know if people normally have access to it. So these are what the custom GPT helps you do. They helps you. It's like they help you create like. Let me this for example now. This kind of stuff is actually slowing my stuff down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually an example of like a custom GPT. So if you want to get like a prompt for a specific task, it can help you improve your prompting. So you can actually create it if you're on the plus version. But see, if you're on the free version, you can't actually create one. You can't actually build one unless you're on the plus version. So another thing is like the API is what I was explaining earlier is what helps these other tools like the AI I don't show the AI agent I don't show you manuals and the rest to have access to all these models because of how intelligent they are. So to get your API key, because once someone have access to your API key, they can have access to your ChatGPT or your other model you are using. You understand? So you have to keep it safe. So if you want to check your API key, you have to come here to open router. Oh, sorry, you have to come to open playground. It's going to tell you about it's going to show you your API key, how to create one so you can use it for another thing. Let's see. I'm also going to come to image generation. and video generation because of like if it was the Google Meet now, that I'm able to share these tools well in action. But this platform you're using to for this live is actually slowing my laptop down because I'm sharing multiple things. So like I was saying, this is where you get access to your API key. Once you come here, API reference. See that it is a bit of coding. So you come here. Okay. Okay. It comes to admin API keys. Yeah. Since they've actually okay. I think it's okay. I've already actually created one, so that's why it doesn't want to like show me anymore. So you can come here. This is open browser. This is where you have access to audio AI models. Like you see the AI that is actually trending, that is doing the best. You see that it is actually Google Gemini that is actually doing well. Once you come here to ranking, you can see the AI that is doing well. So you can see it's Claude that is actually leading when it comes to like the AI that is dominating. Claude is number one. So you can check all the AI model you want. Like if you want to check the one that just came out, so you can see. So this is like it is actually Grok. Grok just like essentially just like I think essentially just come out right now. So then this is Google Gemini. Then this is the latest AI by like the Chinese that just came out now. That I don't know if people used to see those video that is actually trending. AI generated video that is speaking is actually done by this Chinese stuff. This Onion is actually free to use. This is actually how it works. You can actually use it for image generation too. Wow, I'm still gonna come to the image generation. But that is actually it's actually in Chinese, Shabo. I don't know if you have Google Translator on your computer, it can translate it to English for you. Because see now it's still showing Chinese, so you have to put it on English. So this is how it works. This is our fastest model. It's called Turbo Fast. It's actually very good. I've actually tried it out once before. So you can come here to, if you want video avatar, once you come here, you could see it. Let's try it now. I won't be able to test it because of it's actually going to be slowing my system down because of I'm streaming live. I just want to show you this, that this is what you can use for generating videos too. You can use this. Then I use this again to this Google AI Studio. Hey, I was think I'll have to show you the API key from here because this ChatGPT one is very complex because I've generated one before. They won't want to show me another like another way to generate another key because you can only just get it once. So this is Google AI Studio. You can generate images here. So these are the latest model from Google Gemini. See, this one just came out new. 2.5 flash is very fast, very fast. If you want to get a good quick answers, so if you want to stream live with it, if you come here now, you can talk to Gemini. Like you can share your screen with it. Once you share your screen with it, then it can like have an interaction with it. You can tell it, okay, I'm in my screen, or maybe if you're on like on on LinkedIn, you can just tell it to help you to like read out the content on each post, or it can help you comment, give you ideas, or if you're on Canva, if you need design inspiration, you can like talk to it and like chat with it. It's going to help you out like a voice. So this Google like Gemini works. Yeah, because of time, I just want to speed everything up. So another one again is Notebook LM. I used to use this a lot. So Notebook LM helps you with like document, like if you like want to like let's say you have a lot of notes and you can interact with it, and or if you want to like watch YouTube videos, like probably it's actually much like let's say you want to learn something new, it can help you get sources on it very fast. So if you want to get this is the interface, so just come here to just create new. So like I said now, you can upload sources. Maybe you have sources like maybe on the web or a website, or you can come here to discover sources. You just tell it like what you want to learn. Let's say you want to learn how to bake, or it's like how to bake a cake. Yeah, I guess that'll work. So Christina is getting all those sources on the web where it's so I can actually learn very fast. Because see now Can I import these sources? It's going to appear here. So can I have a chat with it. Let's say if you come here now, you can at least tell it, okay, add it in a note, or you can create a mind map with it. So this is like a cheat code if you want to learn something very fast. You understand? So you can have a chat with it. Let's say like you want to create an audio of it. Once you come here, you can generate an audio of it. Or if you want a study guide, it's just for learning. That's bizarre. It's just for learning. If you don't want to read through it, like, or maybe you just want to listen to it, it can generate audio for you, and you listen with it with your headphones. And so this notebook LM, that's a lot of features, but I don't want to go through it. Right? So another one again is called I use again. It's called like Recraft. Recraft. Use Recraft AI. So it's been a while I've actually used this, because there's a lot of generation I use now. So it's actually very good. You know, this is actually the interface. Once you come here, put in your prompt, it's going to generate a realistic image for you. So that's how it works. Let's hold on with Recraft for now. Then we have imaging tree. Okay, yeah, imaging tree. Okay. So this is imaging tree. You can try it in Whisk or in Gemini. This one's actually for Google. This is Google Image. There's another one I have to show you. It's called Flux. But the thing is, like, some of these images, like, they work with giving it a good prompt. Like I showed you with the custom GPT. I have a custom GPT that creates a video prompt from sorry, an image prompt for me so that you can increase the quality of the image.
Okay. Well, you can please just try and round up, please.
Okay. All right. This is how it works. You can just create a tool. Okay, let me actually just show the last one. It's called Sedence. Okay, it's called Sedence by Binance. Yeah, this is actually very complicated first because if you want to get access to this, you have to like they only allow Nigerians in first. Then once you're in, you now have to use your VPN, put on it to like put it I think United States. So these are Sedence works. See how realistic it is. Want to create a video. Can you use it for can you use it for like content creation? You should create content.
Is it free?
Yeah, it's free. It's actually free. So that there's a lot of AI, but because of time, like you said, I should round, but I've showed you a lot of ones I see use.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Thank you so much, Inka.
yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. Please, if you are still on this live, please do well to appreciate our facilitator for taking out the time to send in or to show us a lot of AI tools, right? Somebody was asking a question: does Manus have a free version?
Yeah, Manos is free for everybody. Virtual assistant, content creator, but they'll give you credit, 200 credit. I would have showed you another one, so it's called Gen Spark. So they work similar. They'll give you Gen Spark will give you 200 credits. Manos will give you 200 credit. They do the same thing. So you just have to be very careful on how you use it, so you don't waste your credit. And you have to wait till tomorrow till it's reset. Just like how you use your chat GPT. So you have to wait till tomorrow before it's reset.
Okay. Okay. So somebody is saying that you should list the tools out because you've mentioned a lot. And for me, I personally jot a few down. So for the purpose of other people who might not be on this live right now, maybe you could just list out the ones that you've already shared with us on this live, and then either you share it with me to share it with the community, the
Okay.
the group,
I'll actually put
or
them in the community. It's actually better.
yeah, some people might not be seeing them. You get some people might not be seeing them,
Okay.
but for the purpose of this, like this workshop, let's just have these ones that you've mentioned that you've shared with us personally on this live. Let's just have it
o-
on the group so that people can still have access to it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. So today we've come to the end of today's workshop class. Okay, so this is our last webinar for this month. So the next time you'll be seeing us again is we'll let you guys know when we'll be having our next webinar. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for joining this live to um to get more knowledge, right? Because no knowledge is a waste. No knowledge is a waste. Personally, I've learned a lot from today's class, and I'll be working on those AI tools that you shared with us. Personally, I'm working on them, especially that lovable. I will try it out. I'm going to try it out. So thank you everyone for your time. I really appreciate you guys. So it's good night from here. So see you guys next time. We'll be having our next workshop. Thank you so much and have a good night rest. Good night, everyone. Okay.